ANCHEER electric bike Commuter EBike 350W 26 electric mountain bike, 20 mph adults EBike with removable 7.8 10.4Ah battery, professional 21 speed gears. Stronger 350W motor. The EBike Sunshine is equipped with 350W high-speed brushless motor, providing more than enough to power your daily commute, a cruise on the mountain, or a meander along your favorite trail. With speeds up to 20 miles per hour, it will get you there swiftly. Removable battery. With the 36V 10.4Ah lithium-ion battery, you can reach a range of up to 22 to 40 miles per charge. Plenty for a day's adventure or most trips to travel and back. You can charge the battery on/off the EBike by your convenience. No worry for being stolen. High-cost performance parts. The light, strong aluminum alloy frame, aluminum alloy double-walled rims are for greater durability, a high-strength front suspension fork, professional 21-speed gears, front and rear mechanical disc brakes can take your riding comfort to the next level.